everyone, it's Dr. Kelly. Today, we will talk about the formula 八仙长寿丸. The ingredients are 山药、山茱萸、熟地黄、牡丹皮、茯苓、泽泻、麦门冬、五味子. Indications for deficient in consumptive disorders with cough, coughing blood,